Welcome to 422 Brookes Avenue here in Hillcrest. This lovely townhouse, built in 2003, spans 1,254 square feet and showcases a versatile layout with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a den/office space. The 3rd bedroom and den, originally a loft, have been skillfully converted to optimize the living space. Dramatic cathedral-vaulted ceilings elevate the home's ambiance, creating an open, airy atmosphere that highlights the living area. Take a peek at this wonderful townhouse, and if you would like to schedule a private showing, go ahead and contact us at the number shown below. Thanks for stopping by.